welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Grace Hainberg, and today I filmed a cinnamon inspired fall look for you guys. It's with a glitter eye, very glam and vampy for fall. Guys, fall is one of my favorite seasons. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's get started. For the first step, I'm going to take NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk with the end of an eyeshadow brush, a very thin one, and I'm going to dip it into the cream eyeshadow and put it in my waterline and right here in my inner corner. Then I'm going to take a fluffy little blending brush with the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to take the white shimmer color called Treasure and put it right here in my inner corner. For the next step, I'm going to take a flat concealer brush with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. It's a long wear eyeshadow base. And just put this all over my eyelid. This step makes the eyeshadow stay all day long. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. The colors look like this. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy shader brush in the shimmery champagne color called Pearl on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take this matte taupe color called Twig with a fluffy blending brush. This is Morphe's M504 brush, and fluff it out in my crease. Then I'm going to take Morphe's M443 brush with this matte brown shade called Dystopan, and I put it right here in the outer corner and blend up and in towards the eye and right here into the crease. I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M504 blending brush with that taupe color from the beginning in the crease. Use this on the outer part of the eyeshadow to blend. I'm going to go in with the Morphe E36 brush. It's a little brush, perfect to go on the lower lash line. I'm going to first go in with that matte taupe shade called Twig, 2/3 of the way in. Then I'm going to go in with that matte dark brown shade called Dystopan on the lower lash line. Then with the Morphe E17 brush, I think of this as like a lower lash line blending brush with that matte taupe shade called Twig. Then I'm going to take this bronzy shimmer shade called Cinder with a flat shader brush right on the part of the lid that we didn't put eyeshadow yet. And I like to blend it upwards. Then to make sure everything's blended, I go back in that fluffy blending brush, the M504 by Morphe, and I'm going to take this matte cream shade called Fresh and fluff out any edges. Now for the glitter, I'm going to take Too Faced Glitter Glue with NYX Glitter Brilliance Glitter in bronze, right where we place that bronzy eyeshadow. And I just take a little bit on my ring finger and I just dab it right there. I just pour a little bit of glitter on the back of my hand. I take a flat concealer brush, dip it into the glitter, and then I just place the glitter on my lid. I don't like to keep patting it over and over because then I feel like the glue covers the glitter on the eyelid. If you did your face makeup before, you might have some fallout on your face with the glitter. So I just take a clean, fluffy powder brush and I just lightly brush away the glitter. I know liquid eyeliner in black and just doing a winged eyeliner look. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. Then this next step is optional if you want to add more drama to the look. I'm going to use Ardell Professional 3D Faux Mink lashes in number 857 with my favorite waterproof duo lash glue. And for these lashes, I always have to trim a little bit off the front end so that it matches my eye shape. And I put a little bit of glue on the band of the eyelash, and while it dries, I just kind of blow it to dry faster. And I just bend the lash like this so that the eyelash band will hug the eye when you put it on. And I just take a pair of tweezers and apply it to the lash line. And for the face makeup, I'm going to go in with Cover FX Perfector Face Palette with their matte contour shade with Morphe E8 contour brush. And go right here underneath my cheekbones. And on my temples and forehead. And then I like to contour my jawline. And I blend the contour down the neck so that there are no harsh lines. And I like to add a little shadow under my lip to kind of make the lips appear a little bit larger. Then with that same contour shade, I like to take a fluffy powder brush. This is the Morphe R2 brush in that contour shade to further blend the color down the neck. Then I'm going to take Milani's powder blush in Romantic Rose with Morphe's blush brush, which is R10, right here on the apples of the cheeks, and blend upwards. Now for highlight, I'm going to go for a nice bright gold highlight. I'm going to take Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. I'm just going to take a little bit and dot it on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow brush. This is Morphe R37 brush. And I'm just going to dab highlight, kind of swirl it to mix it. And then I'm going to take a little bit on the tip of my finger and go down the bridge of my nose and right here on the tip of my nose. And just dabbing a bit on the cupid's bow. And then I'm going to go in with Artist Couture Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. It's a nice loose gold highlighter with my Morphe N510 brush that I love to use for highlight. Just take a little bit right there and apply it right where we put the glow drops. Take a little bit again on my finger, bridge my nose, and on those. I like to go in just again with that contour shade with a little fluffy blending brush. This is by Armar. I like to just quickly contour my nose. Just right here down the sides. And then for lips, I use just like a nice mauve pink lip gloss. But for this look, I wanted to do more of a nice glam fall color. And the fall lip color that I'm going to use today is by Jordana. It's the Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Toast. Okay, and that completes our look. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.